TikTok Shop Print. On Demand lets you sell custom merch, t-shirts, mugs, posters, without inventory, design, list, and fulfill on demand. Available in USA, UK, and select countries. Requires 18 plus age, business account, and KYC. Approval: 5 days. Use port providers like Printful or Printify. Integrated with TikTok. 1. Set up TikTok Shop. Convert to business account, TikTok app, profile, menu, settings, account, switch to business, apply. Go to sellerus.tiktok.com, sign up, log in with TikTok, choose individual or business seller. Verify, upload ID, passport or driver's license, proof of address, business docs, EIN if applicable. Add bank for payouts. 2. Integrate POD provider. Sign up free at printful.com or printify.com. Connect TikTok Shop in their dashboard, apps, TikTok, design products. Use their tools to upload artwork, select items, e.g. crop tees, set prices. For example, if cost is $25, sell for $35. 3. List and sell sync. Products auto push to TikTok Shop. Set inventory to $99.99 in POD dashboard for in-stock status. Upload. In TikTok Seller Center. Products. Import from POD. Customize descriptions during images. Promote. Tag products in videos. Lives. Orders auto route to POD for printing shipping. 3 to 7 days. $5 to $15 fee per item.